Hey guys, Trevor here from Schnitz Racing. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to reverse the RSR airshift assembly so you can go from shifting up to shifting down. We also make dual mode assemblies so you can shift both up and down depending on your application. All the tools you need are included when you purchase this from Schnitz Racing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and move to a workbench and I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, getting started here, I have the RSR direct airshift assembly and the dual mode assembly. This one I took off the shelf and just reversed it so you guys can see what it's going to look like to make the push down version. All you need to do is take this side off and flip it 180 degrees so it matches this one. So yeah, I'm going to move this stuff to the side and show you guys how to do that. All right, so you're going to want to go ahead and take it and go to the solenoid side and take off these 4 bolts. And then go ahead and flip it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, once you went ahead and take those bolts out, you will see the 2 O-rings. You want to make sure you don't pinch those and they stay in place. And all you need to do is go ahead and flip it so it faces this way. Then you can go ahead and put those bolts back in. Alrighty, and once you have went ahead and tightened all 4 of those bolts, you are done. Super easy to do, and this is now ready to push down on your shifter instead of pull up. And yeah, you can go ahead and check these out at schnitzracing.com. Make sure to subscribe and like.